Streamline your development workflow and supercharge your productivity with Lovable Dev. Lovable Dev is your all-in-one solution for efficient and enjoyable software development, packed with intuitive features designed to make your life easier. Let's dive into the core functionalities that make Lovable Dev so powerful. First, we'll explore how to quickly set up new projects, giving you a solid foundation to build upon without the usual setup headaches. Collaboration is at the heart of development, and Lovable Dev excels here. You'll learn how to seamlessly share your work, manage team tasks, and communicate effectively within the platform, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Discover how to leverage Lovable Dev's automation capabilities to handle repetitive tasks, freeing you up to focus on the creative and complex aspects of your projects. This means less time on mundane operations and more time on innovation. Ready to see Lovable Dev in action? We'll walk through a practical example, demonstrating how easily you can integrate its features into your existing projects to boost efficiency from day one. Witness firsthand how Lovable Dev transforms your development process from initial setup to final deployment. You'll see a tangible improvement in your productivity and project delivery. With its intuitive interface and powerful features, Lovable Dev empowers you to build better software faster. Start loving your development process today.